is going on today, YouTube? Today I figured we'd try something a little different. So we went out and got this Lego police set, or Lego City police set. So it is a interceptor. It is 94 pieces. And today we'll be putting this together and doing a showcase later on down the line. So we'll start by opening this up really quickly. So, hope everyone's been having a good week. This is a little different compared to what we've been doing with our video games. So, figured we'd branch out and try something a little different this week. So, there we are. So, got a new little tripod set. We'll put this up right here and start putting it together bit by bit. And it looks like we'll be starting off with the Lego guy. So we already have our base frame right here. We'll see if we can find our Lego chief here. So all he does is snap together with what looks like a radar gun, which is kind of fun. So here we go. So part of this guy looks like the other half of his body is over here. So that is kind of weird how they would keep that separated. So put that together. Sorry, I'm watching this through my screen here at the same time rather than working with my hands, so I can kind of see what you guys are seeing. And if you guys like this, we'll do a little bit more of this. So where's this guy's legs? Got his little radar gun. There's his legs right over here. So, and we put together a policeman already. So set him up right over here, just off screen. Then we'll turn the page here, start following the instructions. So how nice. So got 2 yellow bricks and 2 gray bricks. Put them right here according to the task. And then 2 gray on the inside. Move over here. Put the steering wheel in. Then it looks like this back of the seat. So very easy. So if you guys can see according to the task there, then we'll take the orange brick and put it right there. And then it looks like a green brick goes in front. Turning the page here, kind of see what we got. So, might have to move this off screen so you guys can see what I'm working with right now. So looks like it's asking for 1 1x2, and then a red 6. So looks like we've got the start of our police car here. Turning the page here and moving on. So looks like we'll be grabbing the 2 police not icons, what's the word I'm looking for? Plates here. So, slipping them in here. And grabbing that. So we need 2 of these, so this will go in here like this. And then that'll slip in here like this. So set this off to the side here. And then grab the other one. Got our little tires there. And then we need this piece and this piece. Slip that in there. And then that will go on the side here, like so. Looking mighty snazzy here is our start of our police car. What do you think? So, knocking over our police guy. Looks like we'll start by filling in the gap with these pieces right here. So, looking good so far. And then bringing in the two axle cover, or not axle, but the two side pieces here for the wheels, which works out pretty nicely. And then, I don't know why, it calls for two of these on either side, and they don't provide any support whatsoever. So I wonder where this is going to take us. So then we are going to turn the page once more. So, oh, that's what that's for. So we'll just slip those on right there if I can find them. So let's put these out of the way. Here's one, two. So slip this in right. Oh, I think we put that on the wrong side. Oopsie. Looks like we'll be going back a step. Sorry, guys. Not too bright here some days. Let's slip this in right here. It's a good thing we didn't go too far, or we would be in trouble. Be working our way back a step. So, start of that. And then we'll start by slipping in. Oop, got knocked a couple out of my way. Oopsie. So it calls for two of these right here on either side. So I think what we'll do is we'll put our little policeman on the inside here as the car is built around him, bit by bit. So he's got a very nice police ride. I'm kind of jealous. He is right there. So, looking good so far. What do you think, guys? And I'm gonna turn the page here. If I can get my fingers around it, sorry. So, looks like we're putting something on the back here. Need a gray brick that goes in its place. Slip that in there. Slip this on here. Then it looks like it calls for one of these. These will be our tail lights, it looks like. Looks like it calls for two see-through red pieces and two gray. So the gray ones go up here. And the red ones go down here. So I wonder what's going to happen here. So it's the back of the car there. So we'll see where this takes us. Oh, I think I missed it. I should have just pulled these two pieces.